Comfort at home goes beyond furniture and decor. It starts with how well your home manages heat, humidity, noise, and airflow. In a coastal environment like Pompano Beach, windows play a critical role in maintaining a comfortable indoor living space. Older or inefficient windows often allow excess heat, moisture, and noise to enter the home, making it harder to relax. Installing new windows can dramatically improve everyday comfort while enhancing overall home performance. Better temperature control year-round. One of the most noticeable comfort improvements homeowners experience after replacing windows is better temperature control. Older windows often allow heat to pass through the glass and frames, causing indoor temperatures to rise quickly. New windows are designed with insulated glass and advanced framing systems that reduce heat transfer. In Pompano Beach homes, this means living spaces stay cooler during warm weather and more stable throughout the day, even when temperatures climb outside. Reduced humidity and moisture intrusion. Humidity is a common challenge in coastal areas. Poorly sealed windows can allow moist outdoor air to seep inside, making rooms feel sticky and uncomfortable. Over time, excess moisture can also affect indoor air quality. New windows feature tight seals and improved insulation that help block humid air from entering the home. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this results in drier, more comfortable interiors and improved overall air quality. Fewer drafts and hot spots. Older windows often create uneven temperatures, especially near window areas. Drafts, air leaks, and heat gain can cause certain rooms to feel warmer or less comfortable than others. New windows eliminate these issues by sealing gaps and providing consistent insulation. In Pompano Beach homes, this helps maintain even temperatures throughout the house, making every room more enjoyable to use. Improved natural light. Without excess heat. Natural light enhances comfort by making spaces feel open and inviting, but older windows often allow too much heat along with sunlight. Modern windows are designed to let in daylight while reducing unwanted heat. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this balance allows living spaces to feel bright and welcoming without overheating during sunny days. Quieter indoor living spaces. Noise from traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity can disrupt comfort, especially in busy areas. Older windows do little to block sound, allowing outside noise to travel easily indoors. New windows use multi-pane glass and improved sealing to reduce sound transmission. In Pompano Beach homes, this creates a quieter, more peaceful environment that supports relaxation, work, and sleep. Smoother operation and daily convenience. Comfort also includes how easily windows function. Sticking, hard to open, or poorly balanced windows can be frustrating and limit ventilation. New windows are designed for smooth, reliable operation. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this makes it easier to open windows for fresh air when conditions are comfortable, improving airflow and indoor freshness. Improved indoor air quality. When windows seal properly and allow controlled ventilation, indoor air quality improves. New windows help keep pollutants, allergens, and moisture outside while allowing fresh air in when desired. In Pompano Beach homes, improved air quality contributes to a healthier and more comfortable living environment. Enhanced comfort near windows. Older windows can make areas near them uncomfortable due to heat gain or drafts. New windows help stabilize temperatures around seating areas, floors, and walls near window openings. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this means rooms feel usable and comfortable from wall to wall. A comfortable upgrade for Pompano Beach homes. Installing new windows is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort at home. From better temperature control and reduced humidity to quieter interiors and improved airflow, modern windows address many of the challenges homeowners face. For Pompano Beach residents, new windows provide lasting comfort, making everyday living more enjoyable while enhancing the overall performance of the home.